is what you'll need for a simple but delicious way to do salmon fillets. Salmon fillets, of course. You need a touch of lemon, a couple of garlic cloves, some butter, paprika, dried parsley, or you can use fresh parsley if you like, salt and pepper, and some honey. First thing we're going to do, melt your butter either in a pan or in the microwave, and then get your other ingredients into there and give them a good mix round. Line a baking tray with some silver foil when it's on, skin side down with your salmon fillets, and then give them a good pasting with your sauce. Then it's into a preheated oven, 200 degrees Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit, for around 8 minutes. When it's had 8 minutes in the oven, you're just going to get the stuff that's fell by the wayside, put it back on top. And finally, you're just going to put a couple of lemon pieces onto each, and it's back in the oven for another 5 minutes. When it's had another 5 minutes, hopefully comes out looking something like that, and then it's time to plate it up with whatever ingredients you fancy.